Happy New Year's, everyone in Griddle Nation. If you don't know, my name is CJ, and this is CJ's first cooking show. Today we are not on my set, nor do I have my compadres joining me, but what I am doing is going through my 2022 catalog of all the videos, all the experiences, all the recipes, all the madness, and all the fun that we had last year, and I'm compiling it into one explosive experience. So if this is your first time watching the show, this is gonna give you a really good glimpse into what my madness is all about. Without further ado, let's do it.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Whoa! I heard it on the microphone.
Did you?
It did.
Bro, you
Holy cow.
almost lost. If you've cooked bacon at all for any amount of time, you gotta learn that pull it off right before you think it's completely done.
Sorry, I was just thinking about you giving people advice on bacon.
Look.
Respectfully.
Respectfully?
Oh, come on!
Well, that's not good.
It's done.
There's Ethan's deep dish.
Don't bother, I think it's dead.
Now we know what not to do.
I blame myself.
Delicious, and they're sweet,
And they're
and they're
beautiful.
perfect, and they're beautiful, and they're
Thanks.
elegant, they're marvelous, they're stunning,
And they're chopped.
and that too. So let's
can't
let's
speak.
let the cups. That was a little
Dude.
preemptive there, guy. We're
Sorry,
getting a little
yeah.
excited. There we go. And he says he's a musician.
What?
What?
Diver over here. And an avocado and
like
a corkscrew. All
There we
right.
go.
Okay, we're back.
Thank
Can
you.
we continue?
Wait, does it even work
Hang
with the
on.
cup?
Oh. Extra premature.
Be the first one to ring it and bring it.
Oh.
All right, here we go.
And have you ever actually seen CJ's show? Because not very many people watch it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I watched half an episode one time.
Oh, that one time?
Yeah,
That one time at band
Yep.
camp?
It'll be like this one time at band camp.
Do live! Oh!
The spoon
The
facing
spoon!
down.
The spoon! Floating in the air, they might be lead-based, like a lead zeppelin.
Hey CJ, did you know?
Dang it. So, yes. Dude, nice shirt, you big baby.
Hey Nate, did you know that in 2010 when CJ said he was going to give me a black eye during Russian arm wrestling, I in fact did not get one.
Russian arm wrestling, like when he holds your hand and he
Yeah.
punches you
I
in
think
your
he has a
own face.
video.
On your marks, get set, go. Hard, hard. If you gave yourself your own black eye, that would be so brilliant.
Putting that limp in the game.
It's carrying your mom on my back. My wife and I finally had a kid-free night.
Awesome.
My wife says, "What do you want to do?" Me? Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight, oh yeah, get down tonight. Her at 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Huh. Interesting. There she is, the inaugural, like, I wish I had a bottle of champagne.
I was thinking the same thing. Redemption. Whoa, man.
God, you suck.
Come on, everyone! It's CJ's first cooking show.
Is that the North Carolina thing coming off on me? Are you guys aggressive?
No, Daniel Anderson is a nice, sweet, genuine scholar.
Only would have been better if Todd made it.
What does that even mean?
Dude.
Better if Todd made it.
Hey, can you initiate the Hot One system?
Initiated system.
Thank you.
Wait, what's the hot one system?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chef Nathan Libby, your host. Welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show, where the wings are hot and the questions are even hotter. On the show today, CJ Frazier, what's going on, buddy?
I hate the trapdoor.
Trapdoor's pretty good.
Nah, dude. Really?
Welcome to Hot Ones.
Here we are, on our way.
What'd you do? We're okay.
What'd you do?
X sauce. All right. This one's really...
Another question coming in. Coming in hot. Gotta call an audible real quick. You guys stay there.
Whoa.
Okay. A little hotter than I was expecting.
Wow. Took a turn. It's good hot.
Yeah.
Come on, hey. Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Give it. All right.
It's more tingly than hot.
It's more tingly than hot. Yeah.
I'm calling Bruce to tell him how awesome it is. To the bone.
You haven't even tried it yet. What if it's not good?
I know it's good.
Dude, he's doing Bruce stuff.
What does doing Bruce stuff mean?
I don't know, he's probably...
No,
busy.
It's not going to be busy.
What do you
It's
want?
not. Bruce.
Oh, the heck with it.
Bad connection. Mariah, she says, I'm for sure an Ethan type of roll-up, LMAO. I overfill everything with deliciousness. Also, P.S., I think you need to make a ring it and bring it onesie, please. I'm working on it.
For babies?
For or humans. Maybe.
Baby humans. Got it.
Okay. My spit's hot. Oh my gosh, dude. It's no joke. If you've ever watched Hot Ones, I'm starting to get numb. We've got 2 to go. We're good.
I have nothing to say.
I think it's safe to say I slayed this.
Are you sure?
Speaking of slaying, hey CJ, did you know?
Gotta relax on the editing. Why do you not like the editing?
Gotta relax on the editing.
Here's what I gotta say about that.
First off,
I love a good roast.
However,
let's get one thing straight. If you're 100%
Not a fan?
of CJ's first,
cooking show.
just remember.
Nobody cares.
I'm kidding.
A whisk would be great.
Sorry, Rod, what was that?
Whisk. Chuck it.
So you mean whiskey?
A whisk would be really nice. Come on, darling. Here we go. Now you can whisk it up for me.
Saying it weird.
Go for it. No, we're using a whisk.
I just don't get why you're saying it that way.
I haven't even said it yet.
Forget it.
Right. Why are you saying you invented the aluminum
I'm saying I
pan on
happen
the
to have done a
Blackstone?
chili and
I'm
then
not
you
sure
did
what
this
you're
chili.
thinking, dude.
Use
As
the
if
exact
you
same
were the one
technique. The
who
only
said, "Oh, I'm
difference
going
is
to
I
come
didn't
up
put
with
the
green
meat
chili
in
too."
Guys!
You think we could listen to the radio or something?
Ethan's selection of shorts is always on point,
Oh,
and I don't think he gets enough credit for that.
the shorts game.
The shorts game is strong.
Thanks, guys.
It's the fire of the tiger. It's the king of the fight.
Nate.
Hey, Ethan.
CJ.
CJ.
Oh,
you needed.
uh-huh. If you weren't such a misfit, it wouldn't be such a situation, now would it?
Speaking of misfits, hey, yeah.
But I think this is Tobin Zone approved right here now.
I would love to hear what Todd Tobin thinks of this majestic creation.
Todd, what do you think, buddy?
You actually got rid of lettuce and tomato.
You cannot give me grief for not eating a snake or a rat.
Neutral's good.
Hey, sewer rat may taste like pumpkin pie, but I'd never know because I wouldn't eat the.
Just you
Yep,
go.
yep.
Just see what
Am I
happens.
looking at CJ or the camera?
I don't know. Let's just see what happens.
Yeah. Just make sure you have a smile on your face.
Always.
In the 1930s.
A little hot.
Seated is not authentic
Yes,
at all.
it is. Just because that lady told you that.
No,
No.
just because every history book that's ever been written. Because it started with a
I
hot
would
dog
say the
bun.
more ring-a-ling-a-ding.
Ring-a-ling-a-ding
dong.
Ring-a-ling-a-ding-dong.
Maybe it's with cheese. Maybe it's with onions. Maybe it's with mushroom. Mushroom?
Mommy.
Mommy.
Starting from the top.
Maybe we should just stop saying Philly.
I've been trying to tell you to stop putting
Yeah.
Philly in
You know
front of
what?
your. Oh, sorry. No, I think it's just like over the top 80s.
The seated roll.
I know, right, bro?
Sorry for being shy.
I wasn't in the frame with his. Yeah.
Okay, then CJ, just get out of the way.
Cheese, no cheese, onions, no onions, mushrooms, no mushrooms. Let's see what everybody else. What?
Crunchy.
Conchu? Is that actually how it's said? Or
He doesn't have to be in the frame.
The water.
The water or the water?
Water.
Gordon Thompson. Pumped to have you, Gordon. Nice. You like to hang out with Batman a lot? Sorry. Oh, Gordon, Flash? Flash Gordon?
Yeah.
Whoa! Didn't see that one
Wow.
coming.
Nice one, you donkey.
That'll do, pig.
Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, jeez, dude, we're all over the place. And last but not
Let my
least,
people go.
whoa, Ramesses? Speaking of fat,
He's gonna call me fat or
Travis,
something.
we gotta work on some stuff here, guy. Getting ready for that fire.
Okay, Dad, Bob.
Firehouse.
All right.
That guy in a little coat.
This was real.
I'm a dad, you jerk. You want to earn $5?
Heck yeah.
You want to make $5 the hard way?
Hey, you want to make $14 the hard way?
Let's do this, boys.
E, you ready?
I'm ready.
I want to see the food, not your face.
Oh, man. Okay.
Oh, wait.
911. Can I get some ice for that burn?
Hold on. 911, can I get a napkin for Ethan's face that had cheese on the tip of his
Oh,
starting to
hey.
crisp up. Oh, you.
Shh, don't worry about it.
It's not about the size.
It's about how properly balanced the roll is.
That's right. So
I win.
size in this case does not matter.
You know, if you did this with chicken stock, it'd be a velouté.
What's a velouté?
One of the 5 mother sauces.
Why don't I let my man, Mr. Mike McCourt, read this one here? Why don't you read what it says?
Crap.
Wait, it just says crap?
Crap.
Crap.
No 2 words.
Here's the really.
Crap.
Here's the.
What was it
enough.
again?
Enough, Mike. Here's the best part.
Is this on your show?
It was on my show.
What did he say again?
Crap.
You.
Look at this. Look
You're
at this.
special. Oh.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Friends, we are officially back.
Back in black. Speaking of back in black, hey CG, did you know?
Oh, stop.
Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Shishitos up around.
So there's times when you're on fire, and then there's times when you're just put out.
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
You better shape up, cause I need a bell, and my heart is set on you. With the sound of music.
Why did we both go so deep?
I don't know. Ooh, honey.
What
Better time than now.
Mock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
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 Mockingbird.
Everybody, have you heard?
Have you heard? Later in the evening, strung out from the road. People leaving comments on my friend CJ's show.
Oh, yeah! There we
He
go.
pretends it doesn't bother him, but it just wants to explode. Just listen to the rhythm of my heart.
This is how we do it.
Peaches come
From a can, they were put there by a man in a factory town.
Yeah, I just listened to it, but I don't know.
If I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. We're gonna season this first side before it goes down.
Getting jiggy.
It is good.
Getting jiggy with it. You know that song, right, Bruce?
Noted.
All right, Bruce did not know that, nor did he want to get jiggy with it.
Come on, everyone, it's CJ's first cooking show. It's beautiful. But I'm reluctantly crouched at the starting line, with the engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up, churning and burning, they yearn for the cup. They deftly move. Come on.
He's got nothing. It looks good. It's got all the right stuff.
The right stuff. What's in the middle? The right stuff.
I went with you. I didn't know that's where you're going. I went.
At Blackstone, we don't give you the runaround. You need grill estate? I got you. I got you. At Blackstone, we're to the moon with our griddles. We're knocking out competitors. 17, 22, 28, 36. I got you. You got breakfast coming at you? What's going on, lunch? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a minute, dinner. Everything's better on a Blackstone. Are you ready to be the hero of the backyard? It's a Blackstone extravaganza! I got you. You guys really are full of yourselves. It's almost unbelievable. Like Chris Rock says, wow. It's like you two are blind to the arrogance.
Dude, with all those like pauses with the dots, it's like a dramatic.
Let's do the Scooby-Doo ending.
Okay.
It's almost like we're really full of ourselves, CJ.
It's unbelievable, really.
You know, it's like Chris Rock said, wow.
Wow. Wait. Are we really full?
Full of ourselves?
Arrogance has blinded us.
Totally blind.
Should we start over? Should we make
She
amends?
just quit. She should be done. That's it. That's a wrap.
Well,
That's the end.
I guess there's no more CJ's second cooking show in the works.
Bring it. Bring it.
Come on, everyone. It's CJ's first cooking show. Let's ring it and bring it.
Hope you guys enjoyed that experience. It was a fun one. A little chaotic, but definitely keeping it real for you guys. It's gonna be no different in 2023, except that we have a whole lot more stuff in store for you. So be sure to keep watching. Also go to blackstoneproducts.com for all the recipes and everything that is Blackstone. Be sure to check out all the channels and all the fun content that we have coming for you this year. But until then, if you didn't pick up on it, or if I didn't show enough of it, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook and we quote. Nate's supposed to be here, and I did know something, but Ethan didn't tell me. Anyway, this is weird. Let's just go ahead and do things regular from now on. I'll see you guys on the set. Later.